Kill it, Brandon. Kill it. Kill it. Ooh.
Dude, this place is so cool, dude.
Dude, it really is, honestly.
Illinois looks great.
Does it really?
It does, dude. It does. It does. It does.
This is Anthony Greco in his natural habitat. There's really no reason behind it. That's just how he leaves the house. Would you stop ruining all my videos? And this is Brandon in his natural habitat. Don't fall, don't fall, don't fall. Please don't fucking fall. MTV Cribs. Show me what you got.
Right over there. That's where I sleep.
Right here?
Yep.
You can't really see anything. It's kind of dark in here, bro.
That's my pair of pants right there.
Okay.
That's all the clothing I own besides this. And that's about it.
All right, that's nice to hear. What? Yeah.
You guys got service out here? It's beautiful
No.
out here.
I know I am.
Swear to God, bro, it's beautiful. Help!
What? Yeah.
You guys got service out here? Damn, it's beautiful out here.
I know I am.
Swear to God, bro, it's beautiful. Help! Help me!
Look at that waterfall, bro. See that? Isn't that beautiful? Isn't that what we drove 2 hours here to see?
You're gonna have to edit that out.
I will.